Hi, this is Chris with the Nellis Group, and welcome to Keene Mill Woods. This Burke, Virginia community is located by Old Keene Mill Road in the Rolling Valley area of Fairfax County, right behind the Rolling Valley Mall and the Park and Ride, and less than 20 miles from Washington, D.C. Keene Mill Woods is actually two different communities with separate HOAs. On the left side of Draco Street are 82 three-bedroom townhomes built in 1972 between 12 to 1,400 square feet. On the right side is the condo section, featuring similar townhomes but with many separated into multiple condo units ranging from 2 to 4 bedrooms. Entrances are not only traditional and on the street, but also on the lower level garden style facing the back. There are actually only a few 4-bedroom full townhouse condos, so when one becomes available, it is a hot property. The condo fees cover a variety of amenities, including multiple tot lots, tennis court, and a community swimming pool. The townhomes do not have garages, but there is assigned parking, as well as street parking on the main road. In Keene Mill Woods, commuters have several options for getting around. The neighborhood is 3 miles from the VRE commuter train and just over 7 miles to the Metro and the Mixing Bowl. The adjacent Rolling Valley Park and Ride, with a shortcut path from the community, has bus service to both the Pentagon and the Springfield Metro and is also a slug line stop. Students will attend White Oaks Elementary School, only half a mile away, and Lake Braddock Secondary School just down Burke Lake Road. One of the great parts about living in Keene Mill Woods is that you have your own personal shopping center, Rolling Valley Mall. With the cut-through on the condo side, residents can get quick groceries, famous breakfast burritos, or a workout so close to home. Across from the shopping center is the Pohick Library and Rolling Valley West Park, which is filled with recreation opportunity. Within a short ride, you will also find many more shopping and dining experiences, the Springfield Whole Foods, South Run Rec Center, Burke Lake Park, and Springfield Town Center Mall. If you are looking to buy, sell, invest, or learn a little more about Keene Mill Woods, contact the Nellis Group Burke Community Specialist today. The Nellis Group has been serving the DC metro area and Burke since 1983. To learn more about why we were voted one of Washingtonian Magazine's top teams, call us or visit nellisgroup.com.